Yes, I do. I mean, I think if you look at Comcast and Sky together, you can see they're pretty complementary. There's pretty little in the way of overlap. Comcast is primarily in the States and North America. Sky is primarily in Europe. There will be operating synergies, but I don't think there'll be an awful lot of headcount reduction. And yes, I do think Sky will retain its independence. Just another point to flag, perhaps for the viewers, a lot of Sky employees will also be shareholders, so they will be, counting their rewards from the outcome of this auction process.
Yeah, celebrating the 124% premium from the initial
bid. Absolutely.
I want to ask you about the EBITDA to enterprise value, though. An elevated 15 times is what S&P Global has come up with. Are you worried about the level of debt now that Comcast has taken on with this acquisition?
Well, I think I would have been more worried if they had pursued the other Fox assets, which eventually ended up with Disney. That really would have triggered concerns over the debt and the gearing. But as it stands, I would imagine net debt to EBITDA, which is the ratio that we look at as analysts, will be about 3 times, which is not nosebleed. They'll want it lower than that, but they'll have been very close to their banks and their lenders, and they'll be on side with the business model here. Again, important for viewers to remember that Sky is primarily subscription-based revenues, so pretty low risk.
The strategy from Comcast has been to chase scale as it's battled some of the headwinds from the challenges or the tech players and the cord cutting that has followed. 23 million subscribers across Europe is what Comcast picks up, a launchpad for digital services. How do you think players like Comcast are now able to withstand the threat from a Netflix, an Amazon, and even an Apple?
I think programming and content is going to be key. At the end of the day, that's what drives subscribers, is premium content. Sky has majored on that in recent years. We're all aware of channels like, for example, Sky Atlantic. And Sky has also been very successful in its European markets with local language content. So Sky brings a nice combination of distribution and content. And I do think that that will benefit Comcast as it looks to repel the new entrants in the market, as you say, guys like Netflix.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.